Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer money between NatWest and other banks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to transfer money between NatWest and other banks, first what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your NatWest application. Then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account using secure key, fingerprint or PIN. Then once logged into your account, on the home screen, what you need to do is simply tap on the payments option on the bottom of the screen, and then you'll see options like to someone in the UK for faster payments or to someone abroad for international. In order to transfer money within UK, what you need to do is select tap someone to someone in the UK option. Then enter your recipient's name, recipient sort code and account number, amount to send, an optional difference, for example gift or invoice. Then choose immediate payment or schedule for later and confirm your payment using secure key or fingerprint or PIN. Most UK bank transfers are instant or within a few hours. Now in order to send money abroad, what you need to do is simply tap in the payments option once again and then simply select to someone abroad or international transfer. Then enter your recipient's name, IBAN number, SWIFT or BIC code of the recipient's bank and currency and amount. Then review fees and exchange rate and confirm the payment using secure key, fingerprint or PIN, and international transfers can take 1 to 5 business days depending on your country. Then in order to check your transfers, simply head over to the payments option once again and select history. Then you will see pending payments, completed transfers and failed payments. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.